Hello friends, welcome to part 10 of our React Native series. Alright, so in this one, we'll be looking at ScrollView, we'll be looking at less, and we'll be looking at SafeAreaView inside of React Native. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, please like this video, please share and comment as well. But before we jump into the code, I would like you to look out or look for this video from my channel. So I'll leave a link in the description. So it's beautiful profile UI in React Native. So with this video, since you've learned a lot in the past videos, it makes use of images, background images, passing props, and using reusable components and stuff like that, and more styling. So check this video out and please like this video and comment. Let me know what you think about the video. Okay. Alright, so let's look at ScrollView before we jump into SafeAreaView. So essentially, ScrollView is also like a view, but it's used to wrap around content so that you can add styling. But ScrollView allows you to add scrolling to your app or to content or to a list of items. Okay, so great. So with this regular view, we can't add scrolling functionality here. Okay, so let me add some random text from lorem. So let me do lorem say 400 and hit enter. Okay, so lorem is just a piece of gibberish, so that means you can find it from here, their websites. Okay, great. So let me save this. So you see I have a lot of content. Yes, I can't scroll it, it's just fixed. So we can't, so when you're building an app and you know that you might need scrolling, so when you're considering different screen sizes, it's best to use a scroll view. So this regular view cannot be used as a starting point or as an opening fragment for your app. Okay, so great. So let me get rid of this and save. Okay, so to add a scroll view, you just come up here and import scroll view from React Native. So scroll view from React Native like so, and we can actually, let's just change this to a scroll view. So scroll view, good. So now when I add my lorem 400, I hit enter, I save. Okay, so it says, okay, there's an error here. I want it to load, so that I show you the error. Okay, so the error says invariant violation. ScrollView child, this one. So ScrollView has its own props it uses. So let me get rid of this. So this prop inside with the ScrollView is actually, when I press Control and space bar, I get a list. Okay, it's not coming. So it's actually called content container style. Okay, so this is what it accepts. So let's add some styling here. Not coming. Okay, so great. So essentially, what did I even do? So I just added some padding of 20 so that there can be some space around. So space around it. So you see now I can scroll. So pay attention to this prop. So it's content container styles. The other props, so let me press Control A, not Control V, Control space bar. So you have the sticky header component. So let me go to the documentation so you see the kind of props the ScrollView component has. Okay, so we have this. We have always bounce vertical, automatically adjust keyboard. There's the horizontal and vertical prop too as well. So let me make a list of items here. So I'm going to, okay, so let me get rid of everything I have here, and okay, let me pass in the text. Say hello. Okay, so great. Okay, so I have this piece of code here I created. I just have to pause the video. So I have this use state here with an array of objects. So it's an ID, name, age, and job, and checking the type. So yeah, essentially that, and also the interface is item of an array of items. So great. Okay, so now let's iterate through these items. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see what GitHub Copilot is giving us, and let's see. Okay, so great. Let me explain what we have here. Okay, so we are using this dynamic, we are doing dynamic printing here, so using the curly braces, and in here, let me increase the size of the code editor. Okay, so great. So we are saying that we are going to look through these items here. So this array of objects. So when you're using the map array method, and we are passing in this parameter of items, right? Okay, and we set it to this function, which then returns a view with a key. So when I get rid of this guy here and I save, you see that we get an error. Okay, so you're saying that each child, okay, let me click it so that you see it's more visible. But it says each child in, okay, it says each child in the list should have a unique key prop. Great. Okay, so we don't want this error, so that's why we pass in this key equals item.id, right? So that's why we have unique IDs here. And let me save once again so that we get rid of this error or this warning. Okay, so nice. So with this, we can now do item dot name. When we use the dot property, we can get access to everything there. So when I do dots, you see we get age, we get job, we get name. So essentially, this is how to use a list. Let me add a bit of some styling here. So we make this thing more nice. So styles the lists. I'm trusting on GitHub Copilot to give me something nice here. Okay, let me save this. Let me uncomment this one too as well. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let me just add a margin top of 55. Okay, so great. This padding is this padding is too much. Okay, so great. Okay, so great. I promised to show you the horizontal prop here. So when I do horizontal, whoosh. So when I do horizontal and I set this to true and I save this, see that the scroll view, the items in the scroll view is going to be horizontal. Now I can scroll, yeah, and we can do show horizontal screen digit and set that to false. Okay, so great. So this is essentially how to add list and work with scroll views. Okay, so now let's talk about SafeAreaView. So with SafeAreaView, it's not going to really take effect here because I'm using an Android emulator, and SafeAreaView works best with iOS. So SafeAreaView is a view, just that when it comes to development, we prefer to use SafeAreaView as the opening view inside of our app. Okay, so SafeAreaView takes care of the content at the top here. So when you have this iOS notch, the notch here, and use it SafeAreaView, it's going to automatically push the content below and also take care of the space at the top here. Is it making sense? Okay, so normally that's why when we use a normal view, when we are using or we are targeting Android for in React Native, we choose to give a margin of 55%, right? Okay, so let's go to the docs and see if we can find something about SafeAreaView. Let's see what they say about SafeAreaView here. Oh, okay, good. Okay, so they say that the purpose of a SafeAreaView is to render content within the safe area boundaries of a device. Okay, so we'd have to scan this, and yeah, so it's just some little information about SafeAreaView. So it's more like a wrapper, so around your content. Okay, so guys, essentially we've come to the end of the 10th video of our episode. There are more coming up, and the next one we'll be looking at building a simple project. But before I continue, please check out this video from my channel, and trust me, you will learn a lot because you've learned a lot. Okay, bye.